Hi everyone, welcome to our new system. First of all, we visit the landing page. On this page, we have the logo and two buttons, login and registers. Next, we go to the login page. On the login page, we can log in by email and password. So we're gonna log out to using Google account. That is Google account login. Now we log out again to using registers. If user don't have account, we click on the don't have account and register here. So we're gonna use it in temporary email. But here we have to select faculties. We have how many? Six faculty. The email sent with the link to set up account. So we're gonna click the go to account setup. And here we have to insert name, phone, date of birth, and gender and password. The password cannot be one character. It's gonna print out error. So we have to at least 8. Now we're gonna try to log in with the new account we just created. As you can see, we success to create an account and log in without error. So I want to demonstrate the home page. We have the headers with home, manage, and about us, and the avatar of the users, and the drop down to click on user profile and log out. Down here is the contribution content. We arrange from the newest to the oldest one, also the most liked one. Next we're gonna go to profile page. You can see here we have email, name, date of birth, phone, gender. Also we can edit the pictures, the avatar image. We successfully update the avatar image. We can edit the name. We can edit the phone. We can edit the date of birth, the gender. Now we can save. We successfully update the profile. So we can click on the icon logout from other device, and the pop-up will forget. Now to change the password. As you can see, the password change is successfully. That's all on the profile page. So I want to demonstrate the manage page of the admin. As you can see here, we have the graph. First is the line chart analyzing the number of faculty and contribution by years. The pie chart analyze the average number of contribution per student by each different department. Down here we have the bar chart respectively analyze the number of contribution per faculty, classified into two groups, published and not published, and represent the average number of contribution per event by each faculty. Demonstrate the faculty page. As you can see here, we have 7 faculty already. We can add new one. We can input here the new faculty. We can view the faculty. We can update the MC or select the banner image. Now next to event, just like faculty, we can view, delete, and add new one. Also in the event page, we can download the event. In the zip file, just include all the contribution of the event. As you can see, it's zipping when downloaded. Also here the filter for the event. I'll try one. As you can see, all the internship is displayed. You can see the zip file already downloaded, including all the contribution. Yeah, that's all the contribution. Now next to users. Here's all the users on the system. Just like faculty and event, we can view, you can update the users name, phone, date of birth, and genders. Like the user, we also can add new one. Just like faculty and event, we can use a filter to search. So we have the disable button to disable the users. So disable message just pop up. We successfully disable the person, and we can enable the user again in the pop-up. Next to contribution, here we can see all the contribution on the system. We can view one. We can use a filter to search the contribution. Here I'm gonna search by long. Here the contribution have the name long, student long. I'm gonna using a student account to add new contribution. You can see here the schedule. We have a lot of events. Now I'm gonna click on. We already have some contribution, so I'm gonna add new. If I try to upload my contribution, a pop-up will notify me said please agree to the term of service. So we have to click on the box to accept the term of service. We successfully create a new contribution with all the time, the description, and the pictures and the files. Now I'm gonna try to edit the contribution. We're gonna click save. We successfully edit the contribution, so we can delete the contribution. The pop-up will say, are you sure you want to delete? Let's see. The contribution is deleted and the pop-up says contribution not found. Now we're gonna using the marketing coordinator account. We wanna click on manage, click on contribution. There's some contribution is not published, so I'm gonna choose the not published one to complete it. You can see that publish and delete button. We're gonna click on publish, and the pop-up will say, are you sure want to publish? We successfully published the contribution. Now back to the home page. You can see on the home page that is already been published.